Hey everybody, my name's Will. I teach coding stuff. Had a lot of coffee today. All right, here's a quick demo of what we're going over. So we have our footer down here. This is our normal footer right here. And if I go to a different page, maybe in our members area or something, let's just jump over here. We have a totally different footer down here. So how do I do that? How do you replace the footer on one page? Whenever we add a footer to our Squarespace website, it is on every single page. But maybe we've created a member area, or we have some other password protected page, or maybe another brand style within our website, another brand page, and we want a different footer on there. So how do we do that? So what we're going to do today is I'm going to teach you a pattern that is pretty useful throughout anything you do in Squarespace in the main nav or the footer, these elements that appear on every single page. There's this pattern we want to use, and I call it hide globally and show locally. And this is what we want to do with any of our footer or header elements. So what we do is we hide whatever the element is globally. We add it onto the website, then hide it. Use CSS to totally remove it. And then on the page specific, on specific pages, we add in some code that resurfaces it, that shows it on those specific pages. So we hide it globally and then we show it locally. So that's kind of the pattern we'll use. And that's what we'll do today. First, we want to add in this footer onto our website. Then it will appear on every single page. Then we want to use some CSS to remove the footer from every single page, and this is globally, so anything you put in the custom CSS area happens globally. It's added to every page, and then we're going to use the page header code injection area to resurface the footer on the specific pages we want, and also use that as an opportunity to remove the other footer sections that we have. So that's what we're going to do. Let's just jump into that right now. So I'm going to hit edit on any page because your footers happen on any page. And we want to go down to this footer area and hit edit footer. So I have this other thing that pops up down here. This is for my mega menu plugin. So just kind of ignore this stuff down here. So I'm just going to add a new section anywhere in my footer. And let's just do this one and we'll call it new footer section. So that is it. Now it is on every single page. This footer is everywhere, and we don't want it everywhere. So I'm going to hide it local or hide it globally. So I have this this plugin up here from Heather Tovey. It's a browser, Chrome browser extension, and it allows us to target our sections, our unique sections. So I'm going to go back into our design custom CSS area. And what I want to do is display none. So I'm going to remove it. Now it is removed globally. So we've added it on every page, and then we've used CSS to remove it from every page. However, there's one more thing we want to do here, because let's say we wanted to go into the edit mode and edit it. Well, that footer isn't there anymore. So we want to add one little bit of code. I have it on off screen over here. So I'm going to just copy that. We're going to paste it in right here. There we go. And so now this body, when the body element doesn't have Squarespace edit mode active, which is only added within our back-end Squarespace editor, it will remove it. It won't remove it. So now when we go into edit mode, we can see it there. So now we can edit it if we need to. So this is great. And it's still hidden globally. It's not here anymore. So now we want to resurface this element, this footer element, on specific pages. So let's say I have my premium yoga member area in Squarespace. I also have a site nav replacer plugin that allows you to totally replace the main nav items. You can see that up here, but we're not going to go into that. I'm only telling you that because you will see some code in our advanced header code injection area. So that's what this code here is doing. So what we want to do now, I'm going to grab this code off screen. Now what we want to do is I'll paste this in. We want to hide all of our page sections that are in the footer. That's what this is doing, hiding all of them. So this is the normal ones. This is the normal page sections and everything that's there. And then we want to display flex, because this is the display property for all of our page sections. We want to use this on that page section. So this is resurfacing it. So that's what this code is doing. We just need to replace our section ID here. So I'm going to do again, let's go to a custom CSS area because I've already grabbed it I'm gonna just copy this whole thing, that section, that whole thing. We're gonna go back to where we were. And then just replace this right here with what we had. So now this is resurfaced on that page. Now our member area, we have a new footer section. We don't have our old footer section here. And so now let's go back to just like our main page, maybe our instructors page. And you see our footer down here is our old one. So that's what we can do. So now we just copy and paste this code to every other page header code injection area. Copy that within of the pages we want a new footer on. So our schedule page, advanced schedules. Our course page, I know it's pronounced schedule, I know. And we put it down there, hit save. And so now all three of these pages have different So have different footers. And that's it. So let me know if you have any questions, anything I can do to help about this, or just any other Squarespace stuff. I'm happy to jump in and help wherever you need it and provide more of these tutorials. So let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.